You've had an accident. It can be a very stressful time. What costs are you likely to be looking at when you get it repaired? How long is the work going to take? Will you need to take time off work? When getting quotes, don't always go for the cheapest quote. Find a balance between good reviews and pricing. You know the saying, you get what you pay for. Most companies offering very cheap quotes won't do a good job, and you'll find the paint on your car starting to peel away after 6 months. Car Cosmetics can put your mind at ease. We can fix any bumps, scratches and dents with our mobile repair service that comes to you wherever you need. No more losing your car at the shop for a week or two. We can fix your car while you're in your office or home for the day. If we need to take your car, we'll collect and drop off car. Our team of experienced and skilled technicians put our customers first, with a hassle-free experience that will exceed your expectations. What costs should you expect? Clear coat scratches. If the scratch is only in the clear coat and doesn't take any of the paint off, it's a clear coat scratch. These scratches are the easiest and cheapest to repair. Typical costs are £35 to £60 per panel, and the time is 30 to 60 minutes per panel. Paint scratches. Deeper than just the clear coat, these scratches take some paint with them. No matter the size of the scratch, once the paint is off, the entire layer needs to be repainted. That typically takes the cost to anywhere between £120 and £180 per panel, and the time to 2 to 3 hours. Deep paint scratches and scuffs. Once you see metal or plastic, it's no longer just a scratch, it's deep. While these are the most expensive scratches to repair, they are also the most important to repair. Once the metal is exposed, it could rapidly corrode or rust. Typical repairs cost between £180 and £240, with times of 3 to 5 hours. Car bumper repair costs. Built into bumpers on today's automobiles are a variety of sensors and safety features. From lights to reversing sensors, everything needs to be taken into consideration when determining prices. Because of the complex features behind bumpers, the amount of time taken to remove them varies. The typical hourly labour rate for bumper removal is £60 per hour. Pricing also varies depending on the repairs needed, from cracks to dents. After the repairs are made, the bumper typically needs to be sanded, cleaned and painted. Typically, this takes 3 to 4 hours. Costs average around £450. Costs of miscellaneous materials used in the repairs, from extra trims to the paint itself, need to be allotted for as well when determining the overall cost. If the bumper is damaged beyond repair, the replacement generally costs between £300 and £700, part only. However, if components behind the bumper are damaged and need to be replaced, this will raise the cost further. Potential costs start from £1,200 and the time 2 to 3 days. Most of this can be done prior and then just arranging one day to fit. Car dent repair costs. The cost of dent repairs varies on the location of the dent and its size. Some areas on the vehicle are easier to repair than others. Because of this, sometimes the cost of repairing a small dent in a difficult position can be more expensive than the cost of repairing a large dent in an easily repairable position. Paintless dent removal starts at £90 per dent and time of 1 hour. For dents that can't be repaired via paintless dent removal, you'd be looking at £280 to £650 per panel. Time 3 to 7 hours. Alloy wheel repair costs. Costs vary depending on a variety of factors. For painted wheels, if the wheel has a light scratch around the edge, repairs costs start at £120 per wheel. A machined or diamond-cut wheel is typically £180 per alloy wheel. A set of 4 diamond-cut wheels fully repaired cost £500 and require 3 to 4 days. Powder coating one alloy wheel typically costs £150. A set of 4 powder-coated alloy wheels cost £460 and require 2 to 3 days. Summary: all repairs vary in scope and pricing and will be unique to your vehicle. The only way to determine how much it will cost to repair your vehicle is to get a personalised quote. Try Car Cosmetics. It's quick, easy, and comes with no obligations. We typically respond within minutes and guarantee that we'll respond within 24 hours. The quickest way is to send your images and postcode on WhatsApp to 07803 242 888.